gotta do a Vlogtober video. I know I got a little Christmas going on, but check it out. Ipsy has got the Beauty Nightmares October box here. The dreaded deep clean. I am part of the Ipsy Creative Collaborative, and I did get these for free, and I'm like, I gotta share these. So, Beauty Nightmares, this is my Halloween video for tonight. Bag number one. Actually, one's a bag, one's a box. This is the Ipsy bag. I can't wait to see the bag. I'm like, is it a Halloween bag? I have the link below if you want to. Yes, it is. If you want to try out Ipsy. Oh, I'm excited. Look at this. This is so cute. Actually, I think I'm going to put this in my purse right now and use it for Halloween. I need a new makeup bag. This might actually be my November bag, even though it's kind of like, it's kind of Halloween-ish. It's kind of cute little, let me pull the plastic off. Can I get this off? Oh my gosh. Okay, there. Look at this. It's a little, crystal ball. That is so cute. Okay, so first thing I got is a brush. That's always a yay for me. I love the brushes. And then, what else do we get in here? So there's 5 products. I love this bag. This is so cute. Look, the inside is pink. Okay. Oh, I got a Fenty. Oh, this is the MVP lipstick. I might just give this to my mom. My mom loves a good red lipstick. That is red. That's a red. That looks like a little sample. I got the Beauty Stat Peptid Wrinkle Relaxing Moisturizer. These are fun to put in your purse. I got the Vitamin Enriched Face-Based All-in-One Primer from Bobbi Brown. I love a good primer, I gotta say. You can never have too much primer. Again, those are fun to go in your purse. I have like multiple makeup bags, I gotta say. Ooh, I got the Pacifica Cherry Gold highlighter and blush set. That's actually kind of cool. Okay, I'm gonna pull this out of here. I think this is like my makeup bag right now. Oh, it's got a mirror on the back. That's kind of convenient, actually. I do like Pacifica. This is nice. Look at this. Those are fun colors too. Okay, that's a yay. I'm going to put that right in my bag. So that was the Ipsy bag for this month. Now, remember, I don't have scissors, guys. This is Boxycharm. So, got a little Beauty Nightmares flyer going on here. And then, check it out. I got 5, I think this is 5, yes, 5 full-size products. So, oh, Tarte. Oh. This is the Blush Tape Liquid Blush. I love this product, actually. This is a fun product, and it's in pink. I'm definitely gonna use that. It's like a it's kind of like a puffy thing. You can use it in the car. So that's a win. What is this? I got the Delish Lip Scrub. This is a really good Ipsy collection. I think I just got the icon box in the mail, by the way, for December. Check it out. Little lip scrub going on. Lip scrub's always something that you can kind of like. I keep it in the medicine cabinet, and then like, you know, if you just have that urge to do a little lip scrubbing, you can do it before your shower. I got Beauty with a Vibe. This is the Luna Magic Glitter Eyeliner Duo. That actually sounds pretty exciting. I gotta see what color it is. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's pretty. Okay, so this is the eyeliner. It's like kind of a brown shade. Look at that. Oh, I like that. That's actually kind of my shade. I like the brown. And then we have, oh wow, we have this glitter. I don't know if you can see in my hand here. That is some fabulous glitter going on there. That's like a really interesting gold. So, yeah, loving that. Good box this month. Okay, I think I see a palette too. I got the Clean and Effective Probiotic Superfood Quench Your Skin's Thirst. This is a Triple Hydra Complex Day and Night Serum. Full-size product. And then last thing in the box. It's a palette. It's a palette. I'm excited. Oh. This is from Lunar Beauty. It is the Mushroom palette. It's a highlighter palette. Look at this. Okay. I gotta check this out. This is so much fun. Look at this. Oh, this is actually gorgeous. It's funny that we got two like blush type of items. But you know what? This is like a shimmer. Look at that. Can you see that shimmer going on there? This is actually gorgeous. I like that there's four of them too, because I like to, you like kind of put your brush in a couple and, brush it on. But look at that. You can do a lot with this. That's actually beautiful. I thought I was getting an eyeshadow palette, but that's actually really nice. Super cute too. Anyway, yeah, I'm really, really liking the Ipsy box this month. I especially like... I like the bag. That's so cute. So it's Beauty Nightmares. Check out Ipsy. I've put the link below. I think I said I got the icon box for December. I'm skipping ahead to December. This is going to be the November box. I'm like behind. I'm like ahead a month. I'm moving into December already. Anyway, that should be fun. I'll do that early in the month. Thank you so much to Ipsy for sharing this. I am loving everything. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.